guys, welcome again to a travel vlog with me traveling around the United States and trying to eat some good vegan food. So I just got to San Francisco. I took the train up from where my friend lives and I stopped in at Whole Foods to grab a bite to eat. So first off, I got one of my favorite fruits ever. It's a pitaya, or a yellow dragon fruit. You've seen this in my Philadelphia vlog. And then I kind of just made this boat, this like food boat. So it's like a zucchini going along the edge, topped with artichoke, olives, and of course, you know, you're in San Francisco when the Whole Foods has a shaker for nutritional yeast. And then I also grabbed a drink from Urban Remedy that has probiotics in it because when you're traveling, it's super important to maintain your gut health. After grabbing a bite Bayside, I'm now at Harvest Urban Market and I just biked here. My legs are so tired. I found what I was looking for. So they have these vegan cakes in here from this specific bakery. So if you follow me on Instagram, you definitely know how much I love banana whip. So you basically take frozen bananas and you blend them together and it ends up being this super awesome ice cream. So here I am and I'm gonna get some at Lemon Cup. Alright guys, you may or may not know this, but I work at a co-working space, and so basically they have lots of different locations all over the United States and I think in the UK as well, and I'm at this one right now and I have to show you the views. First off, check how cool the inside of this one is. Let's just talk about these views. Wow! Incredible. It's so cool. I'm a huge fan of the financial district. I think this looks so cool. And back behind me is Ferry Market, and then in front of me is a bridge. Into Ferry Market, and it's a lot like when I took you guys to Atlanta and I went into Krog Market. Alright guys, I know you definitely don't know this about me, but I freaking love mushrooms. These are mushroom mini farms. And then they're selling all of these types of freaking mushrooms. This is amazing. Yeah, this is a super weird thing about myself, but I literally love to eat mushrooms. And I also like to use them medicinally, like these, the cordyceps. I use them to help my immune system. I really hope you guys can hear me because it's a little loud in here, but I just wanted to sit down and kind of talk about my experience so far in San Francisco. So, totally different coast from where I live, and it kind of strikes me as a, like, it's a very strange mix of, like, diversity and, like, it almost seems a little too gentrified to make complete sense in my head. I don't quite know how I feel about it. I will say that, like, the hills are beautiful and, like, really unique. So, like, the city is just built on these, like, huge rolling hills, and of course the bay is really pretty. I don't think this is my cup of tea for a place. And it doesn't have to be, like, you know, I ended up going to the financial district today. That's where I am now, and it's more my style. But the rest of the city, I don't vibe with, and I don't quite know why. But that's just my experience. It's very quaint and it's cute, and it's a little chilly for me as well. Like, it's pretty windy, but overall, I mean, I think it's incredible that I got this experience. But I feel like with all the traveling that I do, I'm almost looking for where I feel most at home. Like, where do I vibe most with the people? Where do I love the city most? Where do I love the weather most? So while this may not be the top of my list, it was still cool to see San Francisco. But I want you guys to comment below and tell me where you feel most at home. Is it actually your hometown, or is it a city that you visited and fell in love with? So let me know in the comments below, and I'm gonna wrap up the San Francisco vlog here, and stay tuned for the LA vlog. So thank you so much for watching this. I know this one's a little strange because that's just how I felt while I was here. So bear with me. I love you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see any specific videos from me, let me know in the comments below as well. And if you are someone who watches my channel because I do eczema videos, you can feel free to email me at coachmichellemills.com. I'm actually a certified health coach now, and we can work together. So see ya.